First one is wakame egg soup and sweet chili shrimp bowl. I usually use wakame in miso soup, but today I use it in a delicious soup with a completely different flavor. This is dried grass noodles. Perhaps in some places the name is rice noodles. It's harusame in Japanese. It's made from mung beans or starch from potatoes, sweet potatoes, and corn. It's very tasty in soups. It may be added directly to the soup, but it's better to boil it beforehand. Boil for 2 minutes. Wash them lightly with water and cut them short. Dried wakame seaweed is also placed in boiling water beforehand for better flavor. This soup is for 2 servings and uses about 2 teaspoons of dried wakame. Place in boiling water. Wait 30 seconds. And then rinse in cold water. The only vegetable used is simply onions. If you don't have it, you can add other vegetables or you can do without them. In a pot, add water and onion and cook until tender. This bok choy is used in rice bowls. Most bok choy available in Japan is large, but these are mini bok choy and really cute. The main ingredient in the bowl is shrimp. Remove vein from the shrimp and remove water from shrimp with a paper towel. Coat them with potato starch. Next, make the sweet chili sauce. Put ketchup, chicken stock powder, Shantan, sake, sugar, doubanjan, and water. In this video, Shantan is mentioned several times. This is my favorite stock powder and I'll post in the description section. Please give it a try. It's ideal for making ramen and soup. When onions are softened, add wakame seaweed and glass noodles. Add seasoned here, Shantan, soy sauce, salt and pepper. Add salt and pepper a little at a time. Taste and add more if necessary. Cover and bring to boil. Then prepare the beaten eggs. Be sure to put the beaten eggs into the boiling water. If you put the eggs in a non-boiling place, they will become cloudy. Mix slightly, and when the eggs are cooked, it's ready to serve. Turn off the heat. Add a little sesame oil if desired to enhance the flavor. And add sesame seeds too. Stir fry the bok choy that has just been cut. Spread oil as desired. My frying pan is iron, so I have to put a little oil on it. Once cooked, season with salt and pepper and a little sugar. Any seasoning is fine. The shrimp are seasoned strongly, so this would be better with a lighter seasoning. Add a little oil and cook the shrimp. Cook for 2 minutes, turning over when slightly browned. When the other side is done, add the sauce. Toss well with the sauce and it's ready to serve. I think this would be delicious done with chicken instead of shrimp. Get a container to take with you for lunch. Add rice and let cool slightly. Add shrimp and bok choy to complete the bowl. Next one is sesame soy milk soup and ginger chicken bowl. Soups made with sesame and soy milk are popular on hot pot menu in Japan. Today we have developed a recipe that makes it easy to make it at home. Any vegetable can be added. In this case, carrots, cabbage, and ring mushrooms, king oyster mushrooms are added. Other tasty additions include onion, broccoli, and potatoes. I didn't get a shot of the ring being cut. Cut into small thin slices like this. Place carrots, cabbage, and water in the pot. And cook until carrots are tender. Next, let's prepare the chicken for the bowl. Remove the skin from the chicken and reduce the fat content. Cut into bite-sized pieces and then season. Add grated ginger, soy sauce, sake, mirin, and sugar. This is the seasoning used to make ginger pork, but I think it will also be delicious with chicken, so I'll give it a try. When the vegetables are tender, add the mushrooms. Let's add thin fried tofu, aburage, here as well. It's also good with other proteins such as tofu, chicken, or pork. I recommend fried tofu because it goes extremely well with this seasoned soup. Add soy milk here. Add Shantan, miso paste, soy sauce, ground sesame, salt and pepper. Dissolve the miso paste and stir to complete the dish. If the taste is too weak, add a little more miso paste or salt and pepper. Place a little oil in a fry pan and cook the chicken. When making ginger pork, the pork is very thin and cooks quickly, so you can cook it before the sauce burns. Chicken cannot be cut into thin slices, so it's better to cut it as small as possible. Clean the fry pan and cook the eggs as well. This style of egg is perfect for busy times, and it goes great with chicken. Arrange these neatly on top of the rice. Ginger is the key ingredient in this chicken, but it's also delicious with garlic instead. Sprinkle with green onion to complete the dish. Next one is chicken meatball soup and easy Mapo tofu bowl. Today I will use ground chicken breast to make a low-fat chicken balls. Add minced green onions if you have them. It's also tasty with chopped onions. Add a pinch of salt and pepper, grated ginger, potato starch, sake, and soy sauce. Stir well until it becomes sticky. You can make the meatball here, but I find it too much trouble, so I spoon them into the soup. Add a vegetable to the soup. I want to add onion and potatoes. My husband liked it when I cut the potatoes into the thin slices like this. This way it's good because it cooks faster. Once these are placed in the pot with the water, cover and wait until it comes to a boil. Meanwhile, prepare the ingredients for the rice bowl. This is firm tofu. Since we are making a stir fry like Mapo tofu today, we'll use firm tofu which does not fall apart easily. Cut tofu into cubes. Bok choy is a side dish as it goes well with Mapo tofu. Let's make the sauce for Mapo tofu. Put miso paste, oyster sauce, soy sauce, sake, mirin, doubanjeon, grated ginger, grated garlic, and sugar. You may want to increase the amount of miso paste a little. I spread it when mixing and lost the amount. When the soup comes to a boil, add the meatballs. With a spoon, make a round shape and drop it into the soup. The broth comes from the chicken meatballs and makes a very tasty soup. I used a tube of ginger. A grated fresh ginger gives it an even better flavor. Cover and let simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. When the chicken meatballs are cooked, turn off the heat and add the miso paste. Since the chicken meatballs are well seasoned, the soup can be seasoned only with miso paste. Spread a little oil in a fry pan and add ground chicken. Usually Mapo tofu is made with ground pork, but I had leftover chicken from making chicken meatballs earlier, so I used it here. Add the sauce you just made. I'll add some more later because it was reduced by a spill. When the meat is almost cooked, add the tofu. Mix, being careful not to break up the tofu. Stir fry for a while so that the tofu can soak up the flavor of this sauce. Since it was too much trouble to make the sauce again from earlier, I added a little soy sauce and sugar. If you like spicy food, add some ryu, red chili oil when you eat it, or add more doubanjeon when making the sauce. Remove the tofu and stir fry the bok choy at this point. Add the oil that I took out earlier because I put too much in. It's better to fry the stems first, so I added the leaves later. This time I seasoned it with mirin, soy sauce, and dashi powder. Place on top of rice. This Mapo tofu goes very well with rice. The last one is pork curry soup and vegetable bowl. This soup is perfect for those who want to eat curry but don't want to spend the time to make it. Ingredients are exactly the same as those used to make curry: onion, carrot, and potatoes. Garlic is a staple in my family's curry. Stir fry this together when frying meat. This lotus root will be used later when making rice bowls. It's rare to be able to buy these small lotus root because they are usually sold only as thick ones. The smaller they are, the prettier they look. Since it's not used immediately, it's placed in vinegar water. You can change the meat in the curry to your liking. We used low-fat pork fillet. The first time I fried garlic and pork in this new pan, I started to cook it as if it were a Teflon pan, and the garlic burned so much. But it smells really good, so I'll call it good. When the meat changed color, add the onions and carrots. Fry lightly and then add water. Cover and bring to boil. Remove the skin with a ladle as it comes out quite a bit. If you do it while boiling, it's easier to remove. After the onions and carrots have cooked for 5 to 10 minutes, add the potatoes. Cook potatoes for 5 to 6 minutes. When the potatoes are tender, season them. Add curry powder, consomme, sugar. Finally, add miso paste. Adjust the amount of miso paste to taste. Today, there is plenty of meat in the soup, so the bowl will be vegetable. Wipe the lotus root thoroughly dry and fry in a little oil until crispy on both sides. Baked lotus root is extremely tasty with just a little sprinkle of salt. Cook the broccoli in the remaining oil. It's delicious cooked in the microwave with the oil. But it tastes even better if you add a little oil and cook it over low heat for a longer period of time, as shown here. Once broccoli is brown, season. Add dried bonito flakes, ground sesame, and soy sauce. Place a boiled egg in the center. Vegetable toppings are popular in Japanese soup curry, so I topped it with a bowl of rice. Sprinkle salt on the lotus root. Sprinkle the soup with parsley. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. If you are already a subscriber and would like to support our channel, please join our membership. Membership feedback will be reflected in content creation. See you in the next video.